Lord, you have been a dwelling place throughout all generations. For the mountains were born, or you brought forth the whole world. From everlasting to everlasting, you are God. You turn people back to dust, saying you turn to dust, you mortals. 1,000 years in your sight are like a day just gone by, like a watch in the night. Yet you sweep people away in the sleep of death. They are like the new grass of the morning. In the morning it springs up new, but by evening it is dry and withered. We are consumed by your anger and terrified by your indignation. You have set our iniquities before you, our secret sins in the light of your presence. All our days pass under your wrath. We finish our years with a moan. Our days may come 70 years or 80 if our strength endures, yet the best of them. Our trouble and sorrow, for they quickly pass and we fly away. If only we knew the power of your anger. Your wrath is as great as the fear that is your due. Teach us to number our days that we may gain heart of wisdom. Relent, Lord, how long will we have compassion to your servants? Satisfy us in the morning with your unfailing love, so that we may sing for joy and be glad of our days. Make us glad for as many days as you have afflicted us, for as many years as we have seen trouble. May your deeds be shown to your servants, your splendor to their children. May the favor of the Lord rest on us. Establish the works of our hands for us. Amen.